Let's focus on how to initiate and manage requests for resetting user and account passwords efficiently within the system. Let's walk through the steps to change a password in Saviynt. You must start from the Access Request homepage and select the Change Password tile. You can change the password for either an Identity Cloud account or an application account. Next, move on to Select Application. Here, you will pick the application or applications for which you want to change the password. Then proceed to Set Password. In this step, under the Actions menu, you'll be able to reset the account password for the selected user. If the account is locked, it can also be unlocked during this step. Finally, a confirmation message will be displayed in the email notification stage once the password change request is submitted. An automated email notification will also be sent using the configured email template to inform the user of the change. This end-to-end process ensures password updates are handled efficiently and securely. Now, you need to log in using the Identity Cloud login page. This page appears when the Identity Cloud is set up in a non-single sign-on or non-SSO environment. Take note, if SSO is enabled, or if your organization uses an external authentication provider, you will automatically be redirected to the identity provider's login screen. Once you authenticate successfully, you will then be directed back to the login screen. This process ensures secure and seamless access to your Saviynt environment. To change a password, navigate to the Change Password section on the left-hand menu. Here, you will see multiple options. You can choose to change account password for self, reset account password for others, reset user password, or reset service account password. In this example, we are changing the password for a user named Isla Tuli. The process involves 3 steps: select applications, set password, and submit. You can view the associated password policy and take action by clicking on the icons under the Actions column. Once you're ready, use the card icon to proceed and update the password as required.